If you're a heat and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, how do you prepare for the busy season? And why does this matter? This is a super important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to your life for HVAC Technician sales secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you closer. So here's the thing. There are things that you can do to prepare for the busy season, and it's super important that you're ready. Like, I can't think of how many times that salespeople would be like, all right, summer's coming, technicians are like, summer's coming, and then they wait till the very last minute. So first, this is super important. There should be alarms and signals and things going off for you for this one, that what you do for the next 90 to 120 days is really going to prepare you for the season after. Okay. So like, really think about this is super important. Like if you speed through your calls, what's going to happen is when you get to August, September, October, when there's not a lot of calls for you to run, you're going to rush through them. So you're going to set a precedent. These are the things that you're going to do. These are the actions that you're going to take. So you have to stay consistent. The word of the day today is consistent. Number 2, set your goals. What are your goals? My goals are not your goals. Your goals are not my goals. Your company may give you goals and you may go above and beyond that, but like set your goals today. What is it that you want? What is it you're going to need to achieve those? Does it mean that you're going to have books to listen to while you drive? Does it mean that you're going to have to pick up a couple of extra tools to keep them in your van or your transit or your truck, whatever you use? Is it an extra tablet for you to show pictures and video? Like, I don't know how many times I work with technicians and I'm like, why don't you buy your own tablet? Well, the company won't pay for it. I promise you, after one tech set lead, use that money to go buy a really good tablet. You could get a Samsung for about $200. They got extendable memory. That's a good thing. You could get an Apple. The thing that sucks about the Apples is the memory on them is not the greatest. So the cool thing is you drop a $200 tablet and you crack the screen, you lost your $200 tablet. You buy a nice Apple iPad and you spend $500 and you drop the tablet, break the screen. Now you're out $500. This is why you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. Check that out. You should subscribe. Number 3, practice even when it's busy. Find an hour or two a week for you to practice. You may have to corral up somebody on your team and say, hey, let's do some role play. Let's do some practice. Let's do some door approach. Number 4, know what you will and will not do. Like, set that line in the sand. What's ethical for you? What's unethical for you? Like, there's companies out there today that are telling technicians, set that lead no matter what, whether it's truthful or not. Like me, if I was a technician, I'd be like, hey, I got a problem with that. Just my own belief. Don't set fake leads. Number 5, laugh as often as you can. Laugh as often as you can, because here's the thing. When you go to work from 6:30 at night till 6:30 in the morning till 6:30 at night, it can be very draining. And super secret tip for you hanging out, the best call of the day in the heat is typically the last call of the day, and you got to have your strength with you. And you're like, why would that be? Because you have both homeowners present, because both people are around. It's the end of the day. It's hot. Everything's broken. Last call of the day is typically the best call of the day. So laugh as much as you can. Number 7, eat well and drink water. Right? So like, I know some guys, techs, I'm not making a value judgment. It's just not how I would live my life, that they party all weekend. It's Friday night, they party. It's Saturday night, they party. It's Sunday night, they do it big. If it were me, Friday night would be a fantastic party. I'd recoup on Saturday and Sunday and drink tons of water, but I'm not you, right? Number 8, try new content when it's busy. Like, the time to get traction on new content is when it's busy and it really doesn't matter. The time to not practice new content is when it's slow and you're struggling. Try new content when it's busy. Number 9, relax on the weekends. Already been touched on, but spend time with your family. Go to the beach, go to the ocean, go to the river, whatever you do. Go to the mountains, go to the desert. You pick your sauce. Me, I'm going to go to the beach. Okay. Number 10, set a vacation. Right? Know that, like, if your busy season ends August 1st, you're going on vacation August 15th. Know that if your busy season ends August 15th, you're going on vacation September 1st. Right? Give yourself time to relax and set aside some money for vacation. And bonus number 11. 11. Record your presentation at the top and at the bottom. Right? At the end of the day, one of the things that's really going to help you the most is to know how you're doing at the top and how you're doing at the bottom. And you could compare and take notes. You could drop it into something like Otter.ai and then make a checklist of what you're doing and not doing. And then when you're struggling, you have metrics. You're like, this is the sucky thing, this is the fantastic thing, and I'm in between somewhere in here. Oh, I'm not asking this question. I'm not getting a time commitment. I'm not doing what I need to do. There you go. 10 things plus a bonus that you need to know of how to prepare for the busy season. Just want to let you know that I appreciate you got one of two things to do from here. Just one or two. Find the subscribe button. Click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says HVAC Technician Sales Secrets sent another fantastic video, or hit follow. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.